The Director General of the National Youth Service Corps, Brigadier General Ibrahim Shuaibu, last Thursday visited Reverend Oluwole Adetiran, the composer of the NYSC Anthem, at his Mowe Ibafo residence in Ogun State. Adeniran, a Corp member in 1984, composed the evergreen NYSC Anthem while serving at the Polytechnic of Ibadan. The NYSC boss, is she not a newscaster? Am I a regular newscaster? How now? I thought to read that for me to introduce you to the video I'm about to rant about. Yes, I'm about to rant. Youth, obey the clarion call. Let us lift our nation high, under the sun or in the rain, with dedication and selflessness. Nigeria is ours, Nigeria we serve. So that song I just sang now is the national anthem of NYSC. NYSC. So if you don't know what NYSC is, NYSC means National Youth Corps Service. It's a service that every Nigerian university student, every Nigerian graduating university student have to go through. So if you went to university in Nigeria, you will understand this song. If you went to university in Nigeria, be it a 4-year course, be it a 6-year course, be it a 7-year course, after your program in school, you are mandated to do a 1-year military service, and that military service is very important. The whole essence is for the Nigerian university to get to know other parts of the country. So they believe that if you were born in Lagos and you went to university, let's say you went to University of Lagos or University of Benin, and you are from Lagos, during the NYSC you will be posted to a different part of the world, a different part of the country. The whole essence is for you to go there, a different part of the country in Nigeria, for you to go there, study the culture of that place, get integrated and know about that particular place. Because the way it is, Nigeria is made up of 36 states, 37 as the case may be. So the NYSC youth program is a program that encourage Nigerians to really integrate, and that is why I don't know how this Biafra agitation is going to come to place, but that's not the story for today. So this song that I just sang, the youth obey the clarion call, and that's why sometimes when people talk negatively about Nigeria, even though Nigeria is not settled, even though we know, even the blind can see that there are problems in the country, I'm very passionate about the country because I went through NYSC. Was it tough? Oh yes, it was tough. Originally, I'm from Edo State, but I was born in Lagos. I grew up in Lagos. I went to University of Benin. So I served in Anambra, Oka precisely. If not for the NYSC, I would never have gone to Anambra. So presently, the NYSC has so many challenges, especially because the country is not settled. But why I decided to do this video and to articulate the song is because growing up, even as children in school, we were instilled with the values of Nigeria. Like if you listen to our national anthem too, there are so many values that were instilled up into our system that kept us, even though our leaders don't keep to that, but it has a way of just keeping us as individuals. Like the Clarion Call song, I'm doing this video because I just watched the news and I saw something that happened. The person that wrote the song, I'm going to check the information. I'll probably write it somewhere or drop a link to explain the process more, but I'm just doing this as they hot, as they touch me. The person that wrote the song presently is 74-year-old and he is very sick. His health condition is not so good. Now, he did this song many years ago. Then presently also, the present NYSC leader, the present NYSC brigadier as they call him, decided to go and pay this man a visit. So, and he went to see the man and he just greeted the man. I'm sure they gave him a gift just to come and recognize him, to say that you wrote the NYSC song and we heard that you are sick and we thought to come and visit you. Now, this man is not the first person that is becoming the leader of NYSC that got to know that the man that wrote the song is sick. But this present man, in the person of the man thought to go and visit. And when he went to visit the man was really happy to say that, oh, you can remember. The man was honored. Why am I doing this video is that let's learn to honor people. Let's not forget the people that were there for us. As a country, Nigeria, we know that our present leaders, they forget, but let's even leave the country. Like I always say, we all have a role to play in every situation. The world is not settled. What are you doing as individual to change the tide? Don't be the one complaining. Don't be the one nagging. Let's learn to respect people that were before us. Let's learn to honor them, because honor begots honor. So this video is dedicated to every Nigerian youth out there that actually serve the youth Corp. Let's not forget, wherever part of the world that you are, don't forget the clarion call. Ajo Dabile, according to South Sultan. South Sultan is dead, but his song still rings a bell. He says there is no place like home. Nigeria is our home. We are not blind to what is happening, but we believe that someday Nigeria is going to get better. Let's continue getting better wherever we are. So if you have opportunity of being outside the country, don't forget those back home. Don't forget those people that save money to push you abroad. Don't come abroad and become the big chick, the classic girl, the Gucci, or the designer girl. Remember those people you left home that paved the way for you. Remember to honor them. Remember to honor people. Honor. Let's learn to honor people. So know that this video is dedicated to you. I'm going to drop the link down because I don't have all the figure, but I just thought to put this video out there to articulate the need to honor people and to articulate the need to build our children with the right virtues. As a country, Nigeria built us with the right virtues through our national anthems, through our pledges, through our songs, through different things. But the government, they are not really keeping to it. They are not really doing what they are preaching. But we as an individual is instilling us, because I personally, the clarion call was one thing that each time we're singing it in National Youth Service those days, it rings a bell. And when I saw the video now, I said, oh my God, I can see the reason why I'm so patriotic about Nigeria. Youth obey the clarion call. Let us lift our nation high. Under the sun or in the rain, with dedication and selflessness, Nigeria is ours. Nigeria we stand. I'm one proud Nigeria. It doesn't matter. We live by faith. So guys, dedicate this to all the Nigerian youths that went for NYSC. Yes, I went for NYSC. And I cannot forget the moment. It was a one-year affair that I will never trade it for anything. So till I see you in my next video, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Subscribe, eh? This is a happy place. Please do well to join my membership with the blue button. Join my membership. Let's connect on IG at Esther's Chronicles. Let's grow together. And let's not forget, let's keep representing the Nigeria with 7. It will get better. It can only get better. Till I see you in my next video. It's your girl, Esther.